Bring more power to the job with Porter Cable's 20-volt max lithium-ion cordless combo kit. The 5.5-inch circular saw delivers up to 3,700 RPMs and comes equipped with an 18-tooth carbide blade for a range of cutting applications. It features tool-free depth adjustment and a bevel feature to handle specialty cuts. Producing up to 283 unit watts out, the 2-speed half-inch drill driver easily shifts from precision fastening work to serious drilling. And you'll get more done with less fatigue thanks to its comfortable handle and compact lightweight design. Convenient onboard storage keeps the included double-ended bit close at hand, and the integrated LED work light is great in dimly lit spaces. The set comes complete with charger and a 1.3 amp-hour battery, interchangeable with a variety of Porter Cable 20-volt max tools. When it's time to call it a day, the handy tool bag keeps everything in one place. Power, versatility, and convenience. That's Porter Cable's lithium-ion 2-tool cordless combo kit.